Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz and of course DryerBuzz Eats. Now I'm sitting on a rainy patio, but let me tell you about the meal we had just yesterday, okay? If you're looking for that favorite summer festival meal, I think it's going to be this because you can eat it warm, room temperature, even nicely chilled. We started with two great pieces of salmon that we picked up at our local store. Created a marinade with our Dr. Flavor spices, some EVOO, and then of course, you know me, I love dill. Dill on everything. I'll show you. Look at this. Look at the salmon in that oven cam. Oh, the secret is baking it on parchment paper. But look at that marinade. And then of course we made our salad again, starting with that dill. We used the salad kit, but I added in some extra lettuce, just some extra fresh lettuce. So we just gave that a little bit of chop, the same sizes of the pieces that were in the salad. You got to have some color on a summer salad. So we went for the grape tomatoes. Had a great conversation. If you catch us live, you can watch us prepare this live. This is just a short version, but you got to jump on live with DryerBuzz Eats, okay? So the salad became kind of like almost like a dump salad, you know, dump in your kit, dump in your extra ingredients. Oh, we had to up level the dressing. Started with some shaved Parmesan, and then the cheat sheet. See my cheat sheet right there? That was a recipe which told us why not try it with some whipped cream cheese, a little bit of Dijon mustard, some salt, pepper. Add that to the dressing in the kit, and then just bring it up a little bit with some of the water from our pasta. Look at that dressing, okay? Semi-homemade. And there's our pasta. We took our salad up a level with some cheese tortellini. All of this was just a cheat sheet for a great meal. Started with a kit, just added in a few items. Make sure when you pack it off for your festival, keep it cool. And then when you get to your table or your picnic or however, you know, just dump it all in, give it a nice shake, get that mixed up well. Now for dessert, this was a quick one. Crust filling berries. You know me, I like 3 steps. So what we add in another step right here, I'm just adding some honey to some Greek yogurt. How simple is that, right? Give that a nice stir. That becomes the basis of a tart. That's your filling. Put in your favorite topping, which we use some blueberries and some raspberries. But then you know me, I had to do a little something extra, so took a little bit of cream cheese, right, and just added some sugar. So that way, we had 2 elements in our tart. We had a bottom layer of the cream cheese, and then the second layer of the Greek yogurt, okay? And then just top that with our favorite berries, some raspberries and some blueberries. Now, interesting enough, again, if you want to have a little bit of engagement, a little bit of interaction at the festival, you could pack it off and then do it in your setting, right? Or just go ahead and do it at home. Make sure you keep it nice and chilled. And there's so many great ways to carry items to your festivals, you know, to keep them nice and chilled. See how I started here? I'm just putting on the bottom layer of that cream cheese, not a lot of thickness, you know. I know you just kind of keep it simple, right? So once I spread that around, we use the shortbread crust. There's so many different crusts out there, so experiment a little bit. That one was a shortbread. We put down the cream cheese. Now here we go. We're adding in the Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt has a lot of secrets out there. I even heard you can make biscuits with just Greek yogurt and flour and a few other items. And you know, add in a little bit of vanilla. Took it to a whole other level, taste, texture, and everything. So I just mixed that, just spread it all around, just kind of lightly spread it around, and then of course topped it with my berries. All right, and you can use, you know, whatever's in season. Think about whatever's in season, but just think about what if you're at home and you want something sweet, but not too sweet. Keeping some berries on hand is easy to do when you run off to the market. The pie crust, you know, you can buy enough pie crust. You can keep them in the fridge or freezer. You know, we don't like to do a whole lot in the freezer, but you can keep these things on hand. And then when you want something, all you got to do is jump out here on our channel and see something easy and just go right into the kitchen and make it. Oh, yeah, got to add that powdered sugar on top. That took it to a whole other level. Almost look professional. Does taste really good. And when I want something sweet, I just go to the fridge and get a little bit of it. But this, I think, is going to be a favorite on the festival circuit. Hey, we live in Atlanta. We got a festival every weekend. All you got to do is just follow the buzz.
Go now to DryerBuzz.com and follow @DryerBuzz on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.